So today we're going to talk about how to use a Rivnut and the Rivnut tool. It's basically for piecing together body parts that you're going to be, bolting into. This is the Rivnut, and then this is the installation tool. To start out, you want to just screw the Rivnut onto the fitting in the tool. And today we're just going to be using just a blank piece of steel, just so you can get an idea of how it works. So you'll place a wrench on it, and you place the Rivnut through the body of the car with your, and then you want to just tighten it like a normal bolt, holding onto your wrench. And then once it's tight in there, you just back the tool back off. And then you'll be able to run your bolt in, securing whichever part you're using. And then so basically it has squished the back of the nut together, which holds it tight between the body of the car, just like a rivet.